TrackAddict telemetry essentials, real-time data, pro-level insights, smartphone-powered performance. Stop juggling mounts, start measuring performance. Inside the kit, Veepeak BLE plus OBD2 streams RPM, gear, throttle, and more to your phone. Quad lock mount with vibration dampener locks tight, even under heavy G-forces. TrackAddict overlays live data on your footage. Customize dashboards, log sessions, and export to RaceRender. Setup guide gets you rolling in minutes. Who is it for? It's track day drivers, drag racers, and performance enthusiasts. Anyone who wants real data without headaches. Show you no dash cam needed. Your phone does it all. Works with iPhone and Android. Affordable, scalable, and beginner-friendly. From throttle to telemetry, everything you need to drive smarter. Unlock your driving potential. No dash cam required. Available now at upscalebusinesssweden.com.